Okay, everybody, until the previous lesson, we create a title slide and an introduction slide, and then the main slide and the thank you slide. But today we are going to create part 2 AI in every life and create a slide for this. We add a new slide and put the text here. Okay, what should we do and how we should create a slide that we need? We easily go to our channel. We have here some playlists. There are two main playlists that you can use. One of them is templates for PowerPoint presentations, and another one is PowerPoint template. In these two playlists, you can use them on how use them to create your presentation and get some idea on what we have 900 presentation here and about a 41 presentation here that you can use them. You can open the full playlist here by clicking here, I think, view full playlist, and you can click here to view full playlist. You can see the slide, the presentation, and choose the one you need to use for your work. For example, for our slide, we need something more casual, like this is good, for example, or maybe something like this. We can use them, or this, how to create template part 10. This is good thing, we can use it in our presentation. We just click here.
How much longer can you go on not
skip the ads
trading? It's a simple question.
Wait a little for ad to skips. Here I tell you how to create this presentation. But now we are going to create this here and use it. We format background and make it solid fill, make it white, and try to create that. We just modify it by the way we like. We increase it in size, it's a title, and then create these three things. At first we create that, align it in the center, and copy another one, and make sure as distance is okay. We create that, we need to put these things. For that we just reduce them in size a little and make it a little downer for this thing to be created here. Now we create that thing also, put it here. Because I make that videos, I know how this shape created, but you maybe need to go to watch them for better ideas. And then we need to create these circles. I just reduce it in size. We create a circles. One circles by pressing shift you can create a great circle. Okay. After we creating our circles, we need them to align in the center of this. Okay. And that thing. Okay, now we need to create the text and the effect. We go to ChatGPT that we have and ask it, can you create a 3 main sentence for presentation in one slide about I just want the text, and wait a little. It creates us 3 sentences. We copy that one by one, paste them here. Where is the sentence go? Copy that. paste it here. I don't know why I can't paste them. Okay, it pastes like this, like trash. But we select all of them and paste it here. Copy that, paste it here, select all of them and paste it here. Copy that, select all of them and paste it here. Now we just need to make a text, a letter better looking. Select these two texts and delete them. Now we need to centralize our text, increase them in size, and go and see what it do in the next video that we try to create. Okay, it create 3 colors and use it. We create 3 colors. For example, let's make it. At first we select all of them and make them no outline. Select this and make it, for example, yellow. Let's see the transition here. Okay, it's not a problem. We can create it without seeing that. But let's go here. For example, make the first yellow. The second, let's go with this blue color. I like it. And the third is let's go with this green color. It's all beautiful. Now we select the text and we need to create these effects. What we need to create? We need to create the transition. But this is it for this lesson. We are going to create the transition of this slide in the next lesson. But after that, before that, we just ask ChatGPT to give us a complete text about this sentence for presenting thing. Okay, wait a little. It's going to give us a complete text that we can use in our presentation. But until the next lesson that I create the transition and edit the text, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe our another video and watch them as I tell you. We put the text and wait until the next lesson. Bye.